Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Shopify app on Android phone. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Play Store. And after going to the Play Store, simply we have to search for the Shopify. So I'm going to write the Shopify here. So let's write that. As you can see, you will get the first suggestion. And after that, simply we have to click on that. As you can see, both are provided here. Now simply we have to click on install button, and after clicking on install button it will take few seconds. Before the installing, if you want to check out the app details, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to bake again, and now I'm going to click on this again. As you can see, the app details are provided here, like the 4.2 rating is, and 37k reviews are provided, and the size of the app is 50 MB, and the rated 3 plus, and the download are 10 million plus. If you want to check out the screenshots, and the videos are also provided here, and the reviews are also provided here. If you want to check out them, you can also do that. And after doing these all things, simply you have to click on install button, and after clicking on install button, it will take few seconds or few minutes in downloading the app and installing the app on your device. It's up to your device configuration, and it's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.